And staying on the courts, this time in intercollegiate basketball, in the first of a doubleheader, University of the West Indies defeated Moneague College 72-59 at Moneague on Thursday. Joel Anglin led the scoring for UWI with 29 points, 5 rebounds and 5 assists. Monash University College, they led Excelsior Community College 36-34 at the end of their third quarter. Meanwhile, on Tuesday, UTech Knights had a comprehensive 80-53 win over Moneague College at the Monash University. Dejon Royal led the way for UTech with 28 points and 8 rebounds, while Tajay Dickens supported with 20 points and 8 assists.
Despite feeling good though, there's a lot of stuff we need to work on. We started out the game strong on both ends of the court, both on defense and offense, but after halftime, the intensity dropped massively. So, despite feeling good about doing, there's a lot of stuff we need to go work on.
Yeah, I think the last adjustment kind of definitely give them some issues in terms of when they were trying to make shots now. We decided to definitely take over the space. But I think we could have scored a little bit more. After doing so much work on defense, you really have to try and finish off the different plays or what you work for. And I think we didn't do as much of that as we should have done, but again, another win for UTech Knights.
In other matches, Caribbean Maritime University defeated Micro University College 57-47 at Merle Grove. Dakari Nicholson with 18 points and 3 rebounds, and Christoph Gale 15 points and 20 rebounds, leading the way for CMU.